Why do I need a list? How to create a lead magnet that converts. What is a list? All right, so you're going to hear people talk about a list. What's a list? When you're doing affiliate marketing or any kind of marketing or selling anything really, nowadays people do not buy on the first exposure to an item, first exposure to whatever it is you're selling. They're not going to buy on the first time they see it. They may see it and they may like it in the back of their head. They may think they may want it, but they're not going to buy it on the first exposure. Sometimes it takes up to 7 exposures in order for somebody to pull the trigger and actually buy something. Okay, so what you're going to build a list. You need a list to retarget people after you've given them the initial offer for your item, for your whatever it is you're selling, whether you're affiliate marketing, whatever it is you're doing, you're selling your own products, you're selling a course, they're not going to buy on the first exposure. So you're going to create a list, you're going to get their emails, and you're going to send them emails, and you're going to keep putting the offer in front of them until they buy. Okay, could be every one email a day, could be 1 email a week, could be 1 email a month, depending on your niche. Now, what's a niche? A niche is just a subject, it's a hobby, it's a sport, it's an activity, it's anything that has an audience that you can market to. A niche is an audience that you can market to, and a sub-niche would be like targeting, narrow down the funnel of the niche. So let's say sports is a niche, but then you're going to go all the way down to handball or whatever it is, or left-handed golf swings, or something like that you would be like microing down to a sub niche. In order to get this list, in order to capture their emails, you're going to need a lead magnet. A lead magnet is just an item that's of interest to the people in the niche, that they'll gladly give up their email in order to get that information. So it's a checklist, it's a tip list, it's some kind of helpful hints for your niche. It could be an ebook on how to do something. Whatever it is, it's going to be something of value you can give away for free for your niche, and they're going to give you their email address. You're going to take that email address, you're going to put it on the email list, and you're going to do what's called autoresponder. You're going to send them emails. Email marketing is what it is. Okay, so you're going to send them emails, and you're not going to have to do this manually. There is software that you can order. It's called autoresponders. So they're gonna, once they put their email in, and you're going to need a landing page to collect their emails. Okay, so you're going to need some software. You're going to need a landing page you need a landing page with a lead magnet. The lead magnet, they're going to put in their email to get the lead magnet. And then once they put the email in, the email goes on the email list. Once they're on the email list, that triggers the autoresponder. And every day, every 2 days, once a week, once a month, however you decide, they're going to get an email from you, and it's going to say whatever it is about the item, whatever it is you're selling. It's going to give them the points, why they want it, what their life's going to be like with it, why they should have it, what's their life's going to be like if they don't have it. And you're going to give them all the pros and cons, and you're going to put that in front of them 7, 10, 15 times, whatever it takes until they buy. And that's affiliate marketing. That's what you do with a list. Now, a lead magnet that converts, you have to get something of value for your niche. Could be anything. Could be that's up to you. You got to know your niche. Now, how do you pick a niche? I'm not going to go through how to pick a niche. You're going to figure it out. If you're not, you can watch some of my other videos on picking niches. I'll leave something up here, or maybe wherever it is. Click on it later and watch it and learn how to pick a niche. Okay. Now, you've got your landing page. You've got your email list. You've got your autoresponder. You got all these things set up. Now how you're going to get people there. You got to drive traffic. Now you can drive traffic in one of 2 ways. Of course, you can use free traffic, okay? Or you can do paid traffic. Paid traffic is Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, you name it, whatever kind of social media ads there is. Could be on Craigslist, could be Facebook, Facebook ads. Anyway, could be anything, could be solo ads. There's all different ways to pay for ads, but there's also all different ways that you can get ads for free. And get free traffic. You can get free traffic from Facebook, from all social media. You can do YouTube videos for free traffic. You can rank your website on Google. okay, for obscure long tail keywords, and you can rank on Google and you can do it that. But if you want to make money online, I have a free course on affiliate marketing to teach you how to do all of this. Click the link in the description down below and take the free course. It takes about an hour to do, and you're going to need the software. You're going to need to build a landing page, so you're going to need a website builder. You're going to need to capture emails, so you're going to need email capture. You're going to have to do an email autoresponder, so you're going to need email autoresponder software. You're going to need all these softwares. You can get them from a bunch of different places. You can spend a lot of money on them. I'm going to leave a 14-day free trial for Builderall. Builderall is the most complete digital marketing platform out there. It has every tool you need in one price. Get it now before it goes up. The price is going up soon. Get it now and take the 14-day free trial. Take the free course. Learn affiliate marketing. Get your list together. And by the way, a good list. You're going to scrub your list. Now, what does that mean, scrub your list? So they're going to go on they're going to put their email into your, they're going to get your lead magnet. They're going to put their email in to get the lead magnet. Then you're going to send them emails. Now, let's say they don't open emails for like 7 times, or whatever number you decide. Could be 3, could be 10, whatever. So let's say they don't open your emails. You just take them off your list. They're not interested in your stuff. You don't want them on your list, okay? I'm not saying they bought anything from you. They didn't buy anything. Just they opened it and looked at your email. Those people you're going to keep on your email list, they're interested in what you have to sell them, or interested in what you have to send them. They're interested in the value of your emails, so they're going to open them. The people that aren't opening them, you get them off your list. Now, once you get a list scrubbed of people who are interested in you and what you have to offer and the value you're doing, that list is going to be worth $1 per email per month. Okay? So you build up this email list, you get it to 1,000 emails of scrubbed emails that are wanting to hear from you, and that's $1,000 a month just from the email list. Okay? And you can, once you have people on your email list, you can send them stuff for the rest of their lives. And once you're a trusted person that only sends them value and not spam. Remember, it's all about sending value. Okay, you build a valuable list, you scrub it, it's going to be worth $1 an email per month. Some of these people have 10,000 emails, 100,000 emails on a list, 1 million emails on a list. Okay, just keep building it. That's what you got to do. You start now, start small, and build it up. And like I said, affiliate marketing, a lot of money to be made. Okay, like and subscribe to the channel. I'm all about learning how to make money online. Subscribe and learn how to, and don't forget to take the free trial.